Step-by-step guide for doing chair. Dumbbell Scaption raises thumbs up. Version at about 30-degree angle. 1. Sit tall on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, core engaged. 2. Hold a light pair of dumbbells. Start light, 2-8 lbs. 3. Rest your arms at your sides, palms facing inward, neutral grip, thumbs pointing forward. Movement. 1. Starting position. Keep shoulders relaxed and back, don't shrug. Slight bend in the elbows. 2. Raise the dumbbells. Lift your arms out and slightly forward, about 30 from your torso, between front raise and side raise. Thumbs stay pointing, up toward the ceiling the whole time. This externally rotates the shoulder and protects it. Stop at shoulder height, arms parallel to the floor. Hang on lower with control. Slowly bring the dumbbells back to your sides. Avoid letting them drop or swinging. Imagine forming a V shape with your arms, not directly to the side or straight front. Keep your core tight and spine neutral, no leaning. Breathe out as you raise, in as you lower. 8 to 12 reps per set. 3 sets, resting 60 seconds between. Thanks for watching.